Good morning to all. Welcome back to 7th Standard Social online class. Students, we are studying Geography Unit 2 Map Reading. In our previous class, we have learned the meaning for map and the types of maps. Maps are divided on the basis of scale. It is divided into large scale map and small scale map. On the basis of content, it is divided into physical map and cultural map. And we have learned about the atlas and types of atlas, etc. Today we are going to see about the element of maps. So important detail question, element of maps. Maps provide us a lot of information. Maps gives us a lot of information and one must know how to read and interpret them. So we must know how to read map. We have to read map and we have to understand its concept, its element. Every map is provided with certain features that help us to study the information presented in it. The basic essential element of map are underline, title, direction, scale and legend or key. Title. With that title, we can understood. So this is the theme of the map, the physical map, political map, thematic map, like that. Direction. Every map it has on the right corner it has direction. And scale. On the border, the map contains scale. Legend or key and sign and symbol. With that key and sign and symbol, we can understand. So this is the mountain, this is the hill, so this is the river bodies or this is the sea bodies and the roadway, railway, etc. So with that sign and symbol, we can understood the concept. So this is we call element of maps. So what are the element of maps? Title, direction, scale and legend or key and sign and symbols. Let me see one by one. Title. Every map has a title that describes the information given in the map. For example, a map with the title India River. So if we buy India River map, the map contains all the rivers in India. So we can see the rivers of India on the map. Direction. In general, maps are drawn with north orientation. You underline, it will come for one word. All the maps are drawn with north orientation. It helps us to find out other direction on the map like east, west and south. In addition to north notation, latitude and longitudes are depicted in the margins. So on the margin side, we can see that number of lines are the scale that we gives the information of latitude and longitude. The north is notified by the letter with N, N with an arrow mark. You see here N. So it will see in the right side corner of the map. Every map it contains this symbol. Then third element, scale. The scale of a map is the ratio between the distance on the map between the 2 points and actual distance between the two places on the ground. So what's the scale? It's the ratio between the distance on the map between 2 points or two places and actual distance between the two places on the original ground. For example, the scale can be represented as 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10 kilometer on the ground. It means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10 kilometer on the ground. It helps us to find the distance on the map between the 2 points. Now the legend or key. A legend or key of a map explains the symbols that are used on it to represent various physical and cultural features for mountains and hills, rivers, lake. So everything it contains some keys. The common signs and symbols which are internationally accepted. These signs and symbols are universally worldly accepted symbols, and it is used in maps are called conventional sign and symbols. So these symbols and signs were called as conventional symbols. These symbols are accepted by internationally. Every map has a legend or a key. It explains the different colors and symbols used in it. Basically, we are using blue color for water body and brown color for hills, like that. On a map, it is difficult to show the real shape, such as settlement, bridges, post office, a railway line, and forest. They are depicted by using certain colors, symbols, or letters. You see here, this is India Physical Division. The title is India Physical Division. So based on the title, we can understand that this it shows the physical features of India. You side on the border, it contains so many degree numbers, latitude, longitude, etc. here. And you see it contains different colors, the brown color, green color, yellow color, blue color, all these things. White, snow places covered. White color, it shows snow. Yellow color, it tells about the agricultural field of the places. And green color, forest. Blue, water bodies, ozone, seas, and rivers. Brown color, it tells about mountain, hill, and contour. Red color, settlement, road. Black color, railway line. So these are the colors. Now we will see the conventional signs and symbols. A sign is a widely used symbol or a line pattern or a color on a map. So sign is nothing but a symbol or a line pattern or a color on a map. It represents a feature on the ground. The Survey of India SOI have standardized a set of conventional sign and symbol. Several colors are commonly used in the map. You see here so many signs and colors are used in this signs. Major road, for the major road we have to draw a red color line, thick line, and thin line it tells about minor road. You see this, the bridge symbol, and RS means railway station. Then you see that railway broad gauge and railway meter gauge. You see the river symbol and canal, black color line, it tells about canal, and dam, lake, and wetland, a square shaped greenish box, wetland, the triangular brown color, mountain, and Valguna, you see here, this is the symbol, and grass and shrub, this is the symbol for forest, and country capital, put a dot mark and we have to circle it, or put a dot mark also. So this is we call capital of a country. Then international administrative capital for orange within a box, or orange within a circle, or orange dot. Temple, you see here. Then post office, PO means PO post office, TO means telegraph office, PS police station, and this is fort. So these are the conventional symbol, various conventional symbol, and they used various colors. This is we call conventional sign and symbol. Now we will see the uses of maps. Maps enable us to know details of the landforms. It tells the details of the landforms. It helps a military personnel to campaign. So it helps for military people for their campaigns. It is used in the aeroplanes and ship. Maps are used for weather forecasting. These are the 4 points of uses of maps. Now we will see the distinction between the map and globe. Comparison between map and globe. What is map? What is globe? Map. Map is a two-dimensional form of the earth. Map is the two-dimensional form of the earth. A globe is a three-dimensional model of the Earth. Map is a two-dimensional, globe is a three-dimensional. A map shows a small or a large area, but a globe is a true model of the Earth. A map, it shows small area or large area, part-wise or whole-wise. It shows a part of the earth or whole of the earth, but a globe is a true model of the earth. A map can show a detailed information about an area. It gives a detailed information about the area, but globe cannot show the detailed information about the area. A map is very easy to carry, but globe is not easy to carry. So this the comparison of map and a globe. So students, we have completed the second lesson in geography. Let me sum up the point. Map is a representation of the earth. You underline the word. Map is a model of the earth or representation of the earth as a whole or a part of the earth drawn on a flat surface according to a given scale. It classified into two types on the basis of scale and basis of content. On the basis of scale, it is divided into small size scale and large scale map. On the basis of the content, it is divided into physical map and cultural map. The basic element of a map are underline, title, direction, scale, legend or key or symbol. The cardinal direction are north, south, east and west. These are the cardinal directions of the map. The scale of a map is the ratio between the distance on the map between 2 points. Legend means a key of a map, explain the details in the map. Survey of India SOI have standardized a set of conventional sign and symbol. Students, today I will give one word and detail. You copy the detail in your classwork note and mark the one word in your book and study well. Thank you.